The concept of grit was pioneered by psychologist Angela Duckworth at the University of Pennsylvania. In groundbreaking research published in 2007, she defined grit as sticking with things over the very long term until you master them. Initially, Duckworth conceptualized grit as having two crucial components. 1. Perseverance of effort, the tendency to maintain diligence despite challenges or difficulties. 2. Consistency of interests, the ability to stick to similar interests over extended periods. As Duckworth explained in her research, the gritty individual approaches achievement as a marathon. His or her advantage is stamina. Before becoming a psychology professor, Duckworth taught math in middle school and high school. There, she observed something that might seem obvious, but had profound implications. Students who tried hardest performed best, regardless of innate ability. This observation sparked her scientific journey into understanding how effort influences success. The neuroscience of grit. What happens in our brains when we persevere? Recent neuroimaging studies offer fascinating insights. A 2018 study published in the journal Scientific Reports utilized voxel-based morphometry to examine the neuroanatomical correlates of grit in 231 healthy adolescent students. The researchers found that grit was negatively correlated with gray matter volume in the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex DLPFC, a region associated with executive function and self-control. Conversely, gray matter volume in the right putamen part of the brain's reward system positively predicted grit. Additional research published in 2018 demonstrated that undergraduate students with higher scores on the perseverance of effort subscale showed lower reaction times in attention-related tasks and differences in brainwave patterns, suggesting positive correlations between grit and task-related attention. Another fascinating study revealed that structural integrity in white matter pathways, neural connections commonly implicated in emotion regulation and resilience, was positively correlated with grit among adults with depression. This suggests grit may have neurological connections to our ability to manage emotions and bounce back from difficulties. Perhaps most intriguingly, research indicates that growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, mediates the relationship between brain structure and grit. This suggests a complex interplay between our beliefs, our brain architecture, and our capacity for perseverance.